What's up? How's everyone doing today? My name is Key, and we're going to be doing a little market recap for you guys. How are you guys doing today? Today's been a great day, everybody. Mike looks fine from all the way over there, so I guess I'm just going to leave it like that. What is that you're seeing in the bag? Okay. So, ow, fuck. Oh my god, dude, I got dick in my eye. Okay. So, what did the market do today, and what are we going to be looking for tomorrow? So, I did not take a trade today. As you can see, my bias did not even work barely. So, yeah. And all kinds of shit in my teeth. Okay. So, what is the market doing? Okay. So, basically, guys, the market, we see this huge manipulation leg down. This huge dump. We have a 4-hour bearish gap up here that we pretty much rejected off of. After taking out these highs, we continued to move to the downside. But then also, if we notice, this is why my shorts, I wasn't really going to take anything today. I didn't take anything today. My last trade, as we can see, on the 3rd, it's the 5th. Oh, that was from showing a friend. Okay. So, see this huge manipulation laid down. We have two bearish gaps, two 4-hour bearish gaps, two pretty big confluences, and then also if we take our Gann box from here to these lows, you can see that we have came back up, hit EQ, and have continued to move lower. So what I would like to see for tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, would be a little bit something like this. Hopefully, if we can get to it. I'd like to see us take out these lows. And then, okay, this is a terrible path. Okay, you can't. Obviously, it's not going to go straight up. We're going to take out this liquidity and probably chop for a minute before, but we will eventually come back and take out these highs. And that's what I'm waiting for, okay? But today's open was where? 9:30. This was a candle right here. And we had a bearish gap right here that we did kind of play around for in a minute, but we did have buying pressure out of it, so I'm like, okay, this could be good. But then we never even touched this gap. And then also if we come on the higher time frame, like if we go on the hourly time frame, we started to maintain bullish structure, but then we literally took out this liquidity and started moving down. And you also, guys, you have to make sure to always look at the higher time frame bias, because we can see we've been in extremely bearish market structure, and technically on the 4-hour, so on the 4-hour we still never even broke structure back to the upside. A 4-hour break of structure would be all the way back up here, would be closing above this candle. So yeah, we did have 2-hour breaks of structure though, and really what I first was looking for was, we have these, we take out this manipulation leg down, we come back, take out sell side liquidity, we take out this big draw right here, literally from last month, and then can start moving to the upside. And then we literally just hit EQ of this bearish move and just continue moving to the downside. So for tomorrow, I'd really like to see it close above these highs potentially, and then we could target this bearish fair value gap, these equal highs right here, and then also this wick up there. So there's my timer. I really hope you hold on. Let me get. Okay, back into it. So I'd like to see buying pressure out of EQ, and then yeah, look. Oh, I didn't have it marked out. Did I delete it? I had to have deleted it, because I'm like, dude, we hit a bearish fair value gap and then rejected off of it, and now I know I'm right. This one right here, we tap and then respect it and continue moving to the downside. So I'm like, yeah, longs are not the play for the day. Not good. Not good. I also like this camera angle because then it kind of looks like I'm looking like at like you guys. It looks like I'm from the viewer's perspective. It looks like I'm looking at the screen. I mean, I hope that makes sense to you guys. But yeah, I was a little bit after we and it kind of validated this one. I'm thinking, okay, well, how about this bullish gap? And now we have just been playing in this bullish gap for a minute. Hopefully, if we can see some buying pressure out of this and a break of structure up here above these highs, I would like to see a long position. But probably before we will, I'm assuming that we will sweep these lows because now we have these super equal lows here, like literally dead exact equal lows. And then hopefully we continue moving towards the upside because, let's see. Okay, I love that the ruler does that. Okay, so 291 point move, nothing too crazy, but I'd like to see us sweep these lows, and then before we start continuing to move higher, hopefully. And then tomorrow, literally what I would just be looking for, 15-minute break of structure. We can break above these, break above buying pressure out of this gap, and target these highs. Target EQ of this. Bearish fair value gap is 4-hour one, and then we can leave runners all the way up here, depending what we do overnight. Hopefully overnight, what I'd like to see overnight is us we come down, sweep this liquidity, and then start forming bullish structure, and then we can start taking along off that tomorrow. July trading, guys, I was up $6,000. So I really need to buy a funded, and I'm just nervous about buying a funded. I just don't know. I don't want to get a funded and then I freeze up, and then really all I need to understand is that all I need to understand is that there's no pressure. Okay, I need to just get rid of the pressure out of my brain. Just like this, it's just like paper trading. It's not my actual money. Okay, and then once we pass the account, we just rinse and repeat. Once I get a payout from that account, I want to try to pass 5 more fundeds, get 5 fundeds, and then here, let me pull up a little calculator for you guys. So, yeah. So here's my plan, ladies and gentlemen. So here's the plan, okay? If we, what the fuck? Okay, so 1 funded pass, profits from that by 5 fundeds, 550Ks, 500Ks, whatever profit we make, we'll see. Because I want to still be able to have some money left over from trading to pay, whatever. But okay, we have 5 accounts. Okay, if we make 300 a day, okay, times 5 accounts, that's 1,500 a day from taking 1 trade and making 300 bucks. It's pretty fucking easy to make $300 on a trade on a 50K funded. Okay, so then that's 1,500 times. That's 300 times 5 accounts, 300 on each account, 1,500 for the day. Now, 20 trading days in a month. If you have a shitty, let's say I have a shitty win rate and I only win 12 trades. Okay, let's say I make at least 300 on each of those trades, which is 1,500 for each of those trades on the 5 accounts, times 12, 1,800 a month. Okay, now let's say I have a better win rate. Okay, let's say that my win rate is 80% out of 20 days. 80% win rate out of 20 days is like 17 or 18 days. So let's just say 18, which not realistic. But if we were able to make $300 18 days out of 20, which, let's be honest, never happens. $27,000. I'm making almost $30,000 a month. Now, regularly, also the same thing is like, dude, I could make 100. I could literally make 100 a day times 5, 500 a day, literally times 12 is 6 bands a month. Okay, so that's literally what I've been doing. Literally what I've been doing on this one account. So yeah, but yeah, I'm out of here, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow on a video. I'm gonna start uploading 2 videos a day. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a market recap, and then I'm also gonna be doing a trade recap. So stay tuned for those. Love you guys. I'm out of here.